What is your hobby? So, this is the question that if somebody asks you, how should you respond to it? So, the way we will do it is we'll go through a couple of responses. So, let's start with the first response. I have several interests. One of them is reading books, especially biographies and autobiographies. They are a good way to learn about great people, how they thought, what they did, how they achieved greatness. I have read several. I really enjoyed Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, and Steve Jobs' biography. I learned how Steve Jobs helped create the iPhone. I am currently reading Wings of Fire, the autobiography of a late president, APJ Abdul Kalam. Every time I read it, I am inspired by Dr. Kalam. Coming from a poor family, how he studied under lamps, how he became a scientist and then the president of India. After this, I plan to read the biography of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. So this was one sample answer. An answer which was about a minute and a half. And what all did we say here? So we clearly stated our hobby. We stated why we do it, what do we like doing it, what are we doing in it. So in this context, we talked about some biographies that we had read, some autobiographies we had read. There are no achievements or prizes, so we did not talk about it. Some recent happenings, yes, we talked about what am I reading now, what I'm planning to read, some learnings or what it has taught you, and in general, your hobby should leave a positive impression on the person you are telling it to. So that's the structure we will try and follow. So what I would suggest is listen to the response, the first response, a couple of times and see whether how these points are coming out in it. After you have done that, we will go ahead and listen to the second response. I am very passionate about trekking. When I was a child, my father used to take me to the mountains. There we used to go for long walks. As I grew up, we started going for treks. My first trek was to Chandratal near Rohtang Pass in Manali. It was a 3-day trek. Since then, I have gone for many treks. I also did a basic course in mountaineering and rock climbing. In college, I organized treks to Valley of Flowers and Har Ki Doon. It was great fun. Trekking has helped me make a lot of friends. It has also taught me the importance of planning and working in teams. It has helped me develop a respect for nature. In the next couple of years, I plan to do advanced treks. I hope to climb Nanda Devi. So this is another answer. The first response was about books. So that was the hobby. The second response is about trekking. Let's see if it covers these points. Clearly state your hobby. Yes. Why do you do it? Why do you like it? What have you done in it? Describe some achievements. So here we have used these achievements to say I did organizing in college, I did this. So it gives the listener a perspective that yes, this person is energetic, he can work in teams, he is good with people, he is meticulous. Some recent happenings and future plans, we talked about it. What it has taught you, we talked about it. And in general, it leaves a positive impression. So like with the first response, what will you do with the second response? Listen to it at least 2-3 times, understand it, appreciate it, and then after you have done that, we will try and create your answer. So what you need to do is develop your answer to the same question. What is your hobby? Follow these suggestions, listen to the sample replies again, and write down your hobby on a piece of paper. Once you have done the first iteration, read it in a slow and loud voice. There would definitely be some errors, some grammatical errors, some corrections you want to do. You want to change a line here or there, do it. Repeat this process at least 3 times, which is read it loud again in a slow and loud voice, correct errors, improve the reply, repeat. Do it at least 3-4 times. Once you are satisfied with the response, record it in a loud, clear and slow voice. If there is any problem, you get stuck, record it again. And once you have recorded it, share it.